Hi guys, and thanks for stopping by the channel today. Well, we did our ceramic coating on the car, so now I need to clean and protect the interior of the car. So what we're going to use is Scotchgard fabric and carpet water shield on all the carpeted areas, as well as the Alcantara seats, which we'll talk about a little bit later. And on all other surfaces, we'll be using Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. So let's get the carpets cleaned up first and protect those, and we'll look at the hydrophobic properties after the Scotchgard is applied. So here's the Scotchgard Auto Fabric and Carpet Water Shield, waterproof fabric. So the directions recommend 2 light coats. So on the floor mats, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to put 2 coats on there. On the carpet in the trunk and the other carpeted areas in the car, we'll just apply 1 coat, and we're just going to see how that works over time, and we'll keep you posted. Read an article on the Alcantara seats that you could use this on them. I am not recommending that you use this product on your Alcantara seats. I read a forum where a Porsche owner had done an experiment on his Alcantara and used it, and it worked fine. So I tested a spot on my back seat, it seemed to work fine, and went ahead and used it. Again, I am not recommending you do this with your Alcantara seats. It's an experiment for me, and I'll keep you posted on how well it works down the road. So when you vacuum Alcantara, you should have a brush attachment that would brush the fibers back and forth and allow the vacuum to pull the fibers straight up and down. I couldn't find mine, so alternatively you can put your fingers right over the edge of the nozzle, creating a little gap between the vacuum hose and the material, and that allows you're not actually pushing the ends of the fibers down on the Alcantara. You're allowing the vacuum to pull them straight up and down to separate them and actually clean them. And that's how the Alcantara material needs to be vacuumed. So 1 light coat on the interior carpet areas. One thing you need to be careful of is the overspray. Plastic and other materials, this Scotchgard is not supposed to dwell on, so it's okay to get it on it. You just need to make sure that you wipe it off, and it doesn't need to be immediate. You can take your time, but it does need to come off. So you'll see it got on some plastic and rubber components, and we wiped it off. Also on the Alcantara seats, it has some leather on the outside, so had to make sure that it was very careful, and just 1 light coat on the Alcantara material, and any overspray was wiped off relatively quickly. So what you see here is after that product dried, you can see that it's repelling the water, doing exactly what it's supposed to do. So this product is very inexpensive, very easy to apply. Depending on which one you get, there's several different kinds. This one's every 2 months. I may try a different one. They have one that's recommended every 6 months. We may try. I'm just going to check out the durability and see how it lasts over time in my car. But I'm happy to get it done. So you can see that it's repelling on the floor mat, and as well as the Alcantara seat, which that'll come up in just a second. And you'll see it just bead off the Alcantara as well. So there you have it. So next up, we need to get all the other surfaces. So the chemical guys, total interior cleaner and protectant. Dash, glass, it works on info centers, pretty much any other material that's in the car you can use it on, and it's a cleaner as well as a protectant. So very good reviews on the internet. We'll see. It's the first time I've used it. It's relatively inexpensive. It's about a fourth of the price of a lot of your interior ceramic cleaners. So I'm just going to use it and see what the durability is over time, and if it's satisfactory, we'll continue using it. If not, I'll let you know, and maybe we'll switch over to some other type of interior protectant. Well, there you have it. Everything is clean and protected on the inside. Again, I'll keep you updated in the next couple of months of how well it lasts as far as the Scotchgard is, and also the Chemical Guys interior cleaner and protectant. Like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.